Kia ora koutou, which means hi everyone. I am Carmel from Aotearoa, New Zealand, and I am one of 8 hosts of the Manifestival 888, which is a global online summit that will be starting on the 15th of November and going for 8 days right through to the 22nd of November. We've timed this festival to prepare you for Super Manifesting season that starts on November 22 and goes through that month, and also to prepare you for 2025 because it's a massive year on the stars. It's a massive year for super manifestors. It's a massive year for expanding your consciousness. So if you're into manifesting, if you're remotely spiritual, you're going to love this worldwide festival with speakers from Aotearoa, New Zealand, down under, through the US and into the UK and Europe. We have a free option for you. It is a free summit. You need the coupon. Please come and join us. We are going to hold hands and hold hearts all around the world and expand everybody's manifesting success. Thank you for listening to Mighty Order.